We're at one of my favorite spots and it's perfect outside. So we're gonna paint, wow, that's not as blinding, but we're gonna paint this. I think it's absolutely gorgeous and it deserves to be painted. We're gonna be painting this little bridge with either acryl-gouache or gouache or watercolors. We're just gonna kind of go with it and we're gonna see how it goes. Actually, you know what? We are doing acryl-gouache or gouache because I have a toned paper today that I primed. Let's get into it. At this point, I was very overwhelmed. I was making a lot of moves that I shouldn't be doing. I was making a lot of wrong color choices, and the toned paper was just really throwing me off. It was the second time I ever used acrylic gouache, but I really wanted to paint, so what we're going to do is we're just going to put it to the side, and we're going to start over. Lovely, it's a beautiful bridge.
This pond was, there used to be a pond here that was the pond for the mill, for the gristmill.
Okay.
It would run the waterway. And it was, and the dam that dammed up the river to form the pond was washed out in the 1950s. So this pond got washed out. When I bought the property, it was just a swamp. And I dug it out and made the pond.
You purposely left the island, or did that just kind of? Yeah, I like that touch. It's a good touch.
Well, one of the things I didn't want to take down any hemlock. There's a lot of hemlocks were under extinction from the Willie of Delgy.
Okay.
I don't know if you knew that.
No, I didn't.
And they were dying. And as a matter of fact, most of the trees have been rejected for that for several years. And unfortunately, Willie of Delgy are gone. Hemlocks are making recovery. So one of the reasons I didn't, there was hemlocks on that little piece, I said, okay, I'll make a little island.
Yeah. Can be home for them.
Right. Yeah, take a look at it anyway.
Will do. It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna leave.